Hello, this is Romalice Ishimwe. Welcome to CMU FSE chatroom. So to get started, I'll first list down the technologies that I used. For the front end, I used CSS for styling, and I used HTML, of course, then JavaScript, and I used EJS for templating. It has a nice way of templating. Now, on the back end, I used Node.js and Express.js, and for the database, I used MySQL. And for the real-time communication, I use Socket.io. Now to get started, I have the server file here. It's called server.js. First thing, I initialize the Express, and then I find the Socket.io thing, and then I connect the MySQL. And then here I set the view engine. Of course, I use the EJS, and then the path name to the that I used for views. It's called views, and this is the folder that I keep files. And then I used this middleware to parse the path so that I can easily use URLs. And alright, these are just some scripts for database query. And alright, I think that's enough for the server. Now on this side, okay, maybe you can first go to the index HTML file to show you where I do my login page. This is it. And when you go from here, you go to the chat EJS. Of course, I'm using EJS as a templating tool, so I use it to grab data from the login, which I grab it from here. And this is it. Also, I have requested the style sheet that I created independently. It's a CSS, and I used jQuery and the Bootstrap. Oh, I forgot to mention here that I used Bootstrap and all those, but it's in this CSS section. Now to get started, let's go here. No, first of all, I start the server. Alright, it was already started, but this is how I started. Nodemon. I used Nodemon to start it. I mean, I could use Node, but just use Nodemon because the best thing to use. Server.js, and we start. Good. Now we're ready to go. Now let's open the localhost here. It's listening on port 4000. Alright, here we are, and you can log in using let's use this name, Teddy. Okay, we are at Teddy, and as you can see, say the user is connected and the server is started. Now what do we do? Let's first open another browser to make this real time and see how these users can chat in real time. 4000. Alright, here we are. So now this is Teddy. Let's here use Romeo. Alright. So to get started, let's get Teddy say hi to Romeo. Hi. There we are. So this is Teddy saying a hi message to everybody on the chat and at this time. So the other node also says hello, how are you doing? Alright, this is it. And you can say anything else. I just need to show the scroll bar, so see that it's scrolling down. Now of course, as we do this, we are also feeding the database, which I want to show right now. Somewhere here, it's in MySQL. So I say select all from chats. Chat is one table that I have. Oh, first of all, let me show you the tables that I have. Show tables. Okay, we have chats and users, but these users I'm not using it. I'm just using chats. Now let's describe how users these chats looks like. Sorry. Chats table, it has the chat ID, the name of the user, the message itself, and the time. Now let's see if we have something already entered. All from chats. Here we have Teddy saying hi, Romeo saying hello, how are you doing, and all these gambling things. Now you see that this app is logging, is saving to the database. Let's try to log out. It was part of the assignment. And try to log in again with another user. Let's call it Viola. Here we go. We already have the list of all other users. And she can say something as well. Hello, CMU. Here we go. Alright. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching this, and thank you for everything.